Good Monday morning, everybody. What happened to the weekend? Never mind, got coffee. Done myself some coffee. I've left my stabilised camera in the car, but never mind. Let's start the working week. Oh, strange noises. Moving on.
Might be.
It's 0 degrees, it's almost
what, above freezing?
Aberdeen summer. Yeah, it's just had to scrape the car. I froze my finger. Apparently I scraped my finger.
That's a bit warm, slightly.
Yeah, apparently I scraped my finger. Yeah, scrape ice. Well, scraped ice for a while. It's mainly because I didn't break and turn the engine on. But better get on. Times are running out. Moving on. Darkness. No. Hi guys, I'm upsetting Michelle by talking. Just hearing a little article on the radio there. They're talking about what part of your body, keep it clean, would you change robotically, yeah? If you had the opportunity. What would you know, is it bionic? Yeah. What would you do if you wanted to, like, a bionic something? Keeping it clean. Obviously keeping it clean, it'd be my eyes, so I can actually read without actually blaming the light in the room, as everybody does when they start wearing glasses. It's not the fact that you can't see, your eyes are deteriorating, the lights are getting worse. And I still think the new lights in everywhere aren't sufficient. They've changed them since I was young, haven't they? Well, you wouldn't notice, would you? You've always worn glasses. What would you change?
I'd probably get my dodgy wrist seen too.
Oh yeah, bionic arm. Sorry, bionic wrist. But type 500 times faster. Oh, and I'd get hands where they could type with more than one finger. Because that cost me hours in a day. Because I work on a PC all the time, and to be quite honest, considering I've sat in front of a PC for probably the last 15 years of my life, I still can't type. It's just something I can't pick up. Yeah. Sometimes you get a little pinky on my thumb. That's about as close as it gets. Anyway, what would you change? Keeping it clean. Moving on. Hi guys, that's Monday over with, the worst day, and it has been a bad day as well. Going on with a migraine. Or a migraine. How do you pronounce it?
Migraine.
Going on with a migraine. Don't often get headaches. But when I get them, I get them for 2 or 3 days. Maybe once a year. And I've got one now. So, I'm going to go home and sulk. Yep, moving on. Okay guys, that's us home, and Michelle's made our tea. She's having croquettes and homemade chili. I'm having chips and homemade chili. Chips we didn't make at home. Croquettes we didn't make at home. Because that's what happens when you buy things at Marks and Sparks. Moving on. Hi guys, we were going to go to the gym tonight, but I'm still feeling sorry for myself from the beer I had on Saturday, I think. So with that, I've had something that doesn't agree with me. Now, I did have a pint of milk. I've just seen it on the video as I was editing it, and Michelle told me it went out of date in January. So perhaps that might have something to do with the fact that I'm feeling ill. Anyway, we're going to go and watch some Marple, settle down. I'll wrap up and try and feel better in the morning. Moving on. Okay guys, we've been spending tonight watching Agatha Christie. So I'll rephrase that. Michelle has. I've been to sleep. Michelle got to watch it. Yeah, I fell asleep again, so it's now my bedtime. It's time I wasn't here. Oh, it's a good night from me.
It's a good night from him.
Good night, everybody.